Welcome to Da Nang. Drizzle, drizzle, rain, rain. And the Banbao guy is back on track. No. If you look at him too long, he will stop. I think he's the most aggressive one. He usually pulls up at all coffee shops, smokes them all, and doesn't leave until you buy something. Oh well. It is rainy. It rained the whole morning, and someone in the comments told me, hey, you should show the Monday weather on today. I will show you today. No worry. The thing is, even though it's raining every day, there are some times of the day that it's not raining, and usually I try to go out then, and then film. But it's still drizzling a little bit, just a little bit. But I don't need an umbrella. That's the good thing. This is Xan SM, the luxury vehicles. I absolutely love it. Sometimes with some good deals on the app, they always have some kind of discounts, promotions. You can actually get it cheaper than the normal Grab. But yeah, I love it. I love those cars. They're super nice. I'm gonna walk to the beach now, show you how it is right now. It's actually cold, 23 degrees. I mean, cold is relative, right? If you're somewhere in the west now, it's still warm, but the wind makes it a little bit colder than it is. It's windy and also slight drizzle. And between the drizzling, it can also rain. So it's definitely not a nice beach weather. But I think it will change very, very soon. And you will see it here on this channel too. So don't forget to like and subscribe right now. But yeah, I still have shirts and shorts on, but this is definitely not a beach weather, I can tell you that. I'm gonna go all the way to the beach, walk to the Rosamir Hotel, meet Marcus there. Because it's not a good weather to be outside right now. But to be honest, in between all the rain, if it's not raining and nice and cool, I highly suggest you doing some kind of day trips. Day trips that require you to be nice and cold. Because, for example, if you go to do Marble Mountains, my God, it's so windy. Marble Mountains in the heat, it's pretty tough. Oh God. I can't say anything positive, I'm sorry. I absolutely do not like this weather. But a lot of people I meet, they say, it's not that bad, mate. Usually they're from the UK. But I really like when it's like hot, sunny, and just a little bit of wind. I mean, it can be windy on the beach, that's nice too. But at the moment, it's actually pretty tough. Pretty tough wind. Look at this, what is that? That looks funky. That looks like out of the movie. I don't even know where this guy's from. What kind of number plate is that? Vietnam, true. I don't know. It looks cool. What is going on in here? Ooh la la. This is also a weird number plate. Huh. What is going on? Can someone tell me what kind of number plates there are? Where are they from? Never back down. Huh. Lots of Jeeps. Pioneer Universal. Huh. Nice BMW here. And look at this big Ford. This is an X7 BMW. Ooh la la. This is a huge car. This is crazy. Huge pickup. You don't see that many often here in Asia. But look at this. This is a whole crew here. This is a Maybach full of dust. This is wild. A Maybach truck full of dust. They probably went off-roading with a Maybach. I like that. That's cool. Oh my God, another big Raptor. All right. Huh. Where are they from, guys? Do you know the number plates? Where are they from? Please comment below. Ooh, my God, it's cold. As you can see, there's not much going on the beach. We will check it out right now. With the cars, you always have to watch out. They cannot drive around you. Okay, maybe I'll walk a little bit more. This is the TMS hotel. Feel like a nice, I would say like 60 bucks a day, mostly. Just gotta check, you know. Sometimes it's cheaper, sometimes it's more expensive. But with balconies, that's the way to go. The Durian Rider. Hello. Grab. No. No. And also, please be aware always, all the Grab drivers here at these hotels, they just like to do without apps. So they just want to drive you somewhere, give you a price you have to refuse, most likely. Usually if Grab or taxi drivers are a little bit too pushy, you should always think yourself, why? Why do they approach you there? They hang out the most in front of the good hotels here. M Hotel, TMS. And for them it's like not normal that people walking. But yeah, we Germans always walk. Look at this, Maya is even empty. As you can see here, not many people, but some people are still out and having their coconut right there. Yeah, it's not nice at all. Doesn't mean it's gonna be bad later, but who knows? It's drizzling, so I hope there's not too much water on the lens. And I'm gonna go up and meet Marcus. As you can see, but still people running. It's good weather to do a run, not too hot. And believe me, those kind of days we will all miss when it's non-stop hot. I always say like, oh, okay, you know what? I only want to have it hot. I want a sweaty, hot, humid, and dry weather. Dry in the matter of, in the meaning of, does not rain at all. It's still humid though. But then I actually miss at some point cooler weather as well. Doesn't mean that I like this one here. It's super windy right now. And as you can see, it's also pretty empty. Beaches. But that's what all about the February is, right? It's 50% and we're ending up February soon and it was totally bad. The majority of February, I would say 70% was bad. So yeah, March is better, April is perfect in my opinion. But I will keep you updated here always. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and check out this video. And see you in the next one.